Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we are going to start lesson number 2, 1.2, Dick Whittington and his cat. It is about a boy named Dick Whittington and his cat. See here some of the photographs are given of the personality, great personality. See these photographs. This is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This is Abraham Lincoln, Charlie Chaplin, and Kalpana Chawla. Okay, these are the great personalities. This is related to them and all. So name the world famous personality who reached great heights from humble circumstances. मतलब गरीबी से ये सब लोग ऊपर उठे हैं. They were belong to a poor family or a middle class family, we can say, but still anything does not obstruct to their अचीवमेंट. कोई भी चीज़ उनको अचीव करने से उनके लाइफ में जो अचीवमेंट था उसे रोका नहीं, उनकी गरीबी या उनकी, बिकॉज दे हैड ए फर्म इंटेंशन, या बोलेंगे हम लोग उनकी फर्म ये सोचती कि उन्हें वो बनना है और वो बन के उभर आए और उन्होंने सारे लोगों के बीच में अपना एक छाप छोड़ा, एक पहचान छोड़ी है जो हम कभी नज़रअंदाज नहीं कर सकते या भूल नहीं सकते. So guess the types of the hardship they must have faced in their childhood. Naturally they must have faced some difficulties in their childhood or during their young times. What strong qualities possessed by them could have helped them achieve success and fame. ये सब उनके बारे में है, क्या strong quality उनमें थे they had which helped them to achieve the success and the fame. How do the story or the biography of such famous people help youngster? इनके बारे में जो बातें बताई गई है स्टोरीज या बायोग्राफी, how it can help the young people, ताकि उससे वो कुछ सीख सके. ओके, और अपने आप को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, और दैट दे कैन ट्राई दैट व्हाट दे विश टू डू. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज देयर इन दिस लेसन. Dick Whittington and his cat. There was once a poor boy called Dick Whittington who lived in a small village in the south of England. Okay, here they are talking about a poor child named Dick Whittington who lived in a small village in the south of England. And it is the story of the England. There stayed a small boy, a poor small boy called Dick Whittington, and he lived in a small village. He had no proper home, or both his parents had died. So he did not have his home, and his parents were dead. So he was alone. Nobody to care for him. He had no proper home, for both his parents had died, and he was unkindly treated by many of the villagers. And not only that, he belonged to a small poor family, no house, no parents, and the neighbors, the villagers who were staying along with him, means near about, were also treating him very badly. यानी आस पड़ोस के लोग भी, जो विलेजर्स आस पास में रहते थे, वो लोग भी बहुत बुरी तरह से उसके साथ पेश आते थे. One day Dick overheard someone say that the streets of London are paved with gold, and he decided that he would go there at once. Okay. One day, what did he hear? That on the street of London were paved with gold, and he decided that he would go there at once. मतलब you can make lot of money if we go to the London. So he decided to move from his small village to go to London and pick his fortune up in gold pieces from the street, for he thought people might treat him more kindly if he were rich. So you know it very well that the villagers were behaving very badly with him, and he was totally, what we can say, बहुत थक चुका था इन सब लोगों की बर्ताव से, बिहेवियर से. he was totally very much emotionally touch हो चुका था, इतना बुरा ये हुआ था कि he decided to go to London, make some money. And you know that we say that the जो लोग अमीर होते हैं उनको हर कोई प्यार करता है या उनकी तरफ हर कोई खींचा आता है. So he thought if he will become a rich person, everybody will take care of him, everybody will talk him very nicely if he will be a rich person. So he decided to leave his village and go to street of London to make lots of money and become a rich person, so that everybody will, we can say, तारीफ करेंगे उसकी, everyone will praise him. So he just left his village and decided to go to London. So young Dick set out to walk to London. So Dick decided and walked to London. He had not gone far when a man in a cart stopped and asked him if he was running away from the home. I have no home, Dick answered. I am on my way to London to find my fortune. So as he was going to London, what did he find? A man on the cart, in the cart. Okay, he find a man in the cart. मतलब cart means the bullock cart, maybe a horse cart. तो उसमें एक मैन मिले और उसने रोका उनको. बोलते आर यू रनिंग फ्रॉम योर होम, तुम अपने घर से भाग के जा रहे हो क्या? तो व्हाट डिड डिक रिप्लाई? आई हैव नो होम. ही सेड आई डोंट हैव एनी होम. I am on my way to London to find my fortune. I am decided to go to London so that I can make money, work over there and make money and make my fortune. अपना भविष्य में बना सकूँ. Okay. I am going to London myself, said the carter. Now the carter also, the man in the cart also said that I am also going to London. Jump up here beside me and we will journey together. So what did that carter say to Dick? I am also going to London, so why don't you join me? Come and sit on the cart and we'll both go to London. They arrived in London just before nightfall and the carter left Dick and made his way to an inn. They both arrived, both came to London before nightfall, means before the night comes, मतलब evening के वक्त, before the nightfall, and the carter left Dick and made his way to an inn. He left Dick in the London and he just left to his place. मतलब डिक को वहाँ छोड़ के वो अपने घर चला जाता है. Poor Dick stood alone and looked around him in dismay. Now poor Dick, he was alone here. He didn't know anything about this place and he was alone, nobody to help him. Poor Dick stood alone and looked around. वो हर तरह से देख रहा था. Dismay means with great disappointment, मतलब उसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. He was unfamiliar to that place and he don't know any people from there and he was so disappointed to come there. Where was all that fine gold? All he could see were the dirty streets and lots of unfamiliar people. What did he know from the people? लोगों के मुँह से क्या सुना था कि वहाँ के रास्ते बहुत अच्छे होते, वहाँ बहुत सारे पैसे मिलेंगे आपको, सारा जगह मतलब सोने का है, मतलब सोने का है मीन्स यू कैन अर्न मनी, लॉट ऑफ मनी, आप अपना लाइफ बना सकते इन दैट सेंस. तो व्हेन ही केम देयर ही वॉज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड टू सी द रोड. वहाँ का रास्ता देख के ही वो बहुत चौंकना, मतलब ये हो गया अजीब उसको फील होने लगी, बिकॉज द स्ट्रीट्स वर वेरी डर्टी, लॉट्स ऑफ अनफ्रेंडली पीपल. Even he found here unfriendly people, means the people who are also, मतलब वो भी अच्छी तरह से बिहेव नहीं करते थे, अनफ्रेंडली पीपल थे. और इवन द स्ट्रीट वेट वेरी डर्टी. तो उसका जो ये था सपना था वहाँ जाके पैसे कमाने का, वहाँ वो सोचा था लंदन के बारे में कि इट विल बी समथिंग वेरी गुड. वहाँ के रास्ते, वहाँ के शानो शौकत वगैरह ये सब देख के, बातें सब लोगों के मुंह से सुन के वो बहुत ये था कि सोचा कि वो भी कुछ बड़ा इंसान बनेगा. बट व्हेन ही रीच्ड लंदन ही सॉ द डर्टी प्लेसेस, अनफ्रेंडली पीपल, ये सब जब देखा था ही वॉज टोटली डिसअपॉइंटेड. व्हेन ही वॉज इन द विलेज ऑल्सो, यू नो दैट द विलेजेस ट्रीटेड हिम वेरी बैडली. अगेन व्हेन ही केम हियर ऑल्सो ही इज फेसिंग द सेम थिंग्स. तो बहुत ही उसे हताश हुई, निराशा हुई यहाँ का जगह देख के. He had now here to sleep, and in the end he spent the night in the corner of the alley where he hoped he would come to no harm. Means he could see a dirty street. He had nowhere to sleep. He didn't get a place because he was a person who did not know anything about this place. उसको पता नहीं कहाँ जाए, किधर जाए, कोई जान पहचान के लोग नहीं थे. So he don't know what to do, where he had to rest and all. कहाँ जाके आराम करे. तो just he decided to sleep on the corner of an alley. Alley means, see over here, meaning is given a narrow passage between or behind the buildings. यानी एक नैरो जगह होता है बिल्डिंग के पीछे नीचे से थोड़ी सा हिस्सा ऐसा बिल्डिंग के हर एक बिल्डिंग में होता है पैसेज जैसा. तो ही डिसाइडेड टू रेस्ट ओवर देयर दैट नाइट वेयर ही होप ही वुड कम टू नो हार्म. उसे लगा कि वो जगह में दैट ही वुड बी सेफ. देयर विल नोबडी विल कम टू हार्मिंग, या किसी कोई आएगा नहीं उसे परेशान करने में, तकलीफ देने में. The next morning, Dick woke up cold, miserable, and very hungry. He wandered around begging for the food, but again and again people shouted at him, "Go away, and you lazy fellow." The next morning, as soon as he got up, he was very cold. The place open space में सोया था, and in London he always feel cold and all. So he was feeling cold, miserable, and very hungry also. He was very hungry. He didn't have the food. तो ही वॉज जस्ट वॉन्डरिंग हियर. वॉन्डर मतलब यहाँ वहाँ जाना, भटक रहा था खास में, क्योंकि पहचान जगह की पहचान नहीं थी, ये अंदाज़ा नहीं था. ही वॉज जस्ट वॉन्डरिंग हियर एंड देन एंड बेगिंग फॉर द फूड. बेगिंग फॉर द फूड मतलब लोगों से खाना मांग रहा था, भीख मांग रहा था, उसे भूख लगी है और लोग उसको ये कर रहे थे. दे वर जस्ट शाउटिंग एट हिम. और उसे बोलते लेजी फेलो, गेट अवे फ्रॉम हियर. लेजी फेलो, यहाँ से निकल जाओ. यानी पीपल वर सो अनकाइंडली, इतनी बुरी तरह से पेश आते थे उसके साथ. जब कोई नया इंसान आता है, उसको कुछ जानकारी नहीं रहती, तो यू हैव टू हेल्प दैट पर्सन. बट हियर ऑल द पीपल्स वर सो बिहेविंग सो अनकाइंडली कि उसे बहुत इन सब चीज़ से निराशा हुई. बी ऑफ विथ यू एंड एम्ड एंग्री ब्लोज एट हिज हेड. उसको धक्का दे रहे थे, उसे सर पे मार रहे थे, ऐसे बोलते यहाँ से हट जाओ, बी अवे फ्रॉम मी. At last he collapsed in the street and lay there too weak to look further for food. Everybody shouted at him. Some of them even blowed on the head. मतलब उसको सिर पे मारने लगे, धक्का दे रहे थे. He was totally hungry. उसके पैरों में इतनी ताकत नहीं थी कि वो चल सके. तो he collapsed there, मतलब वहीं पे वो गिर गया. एंड फेल वीक, वहाँ पे बहुत कमज़ोर हो गया था. उसको खाने को नहीं, रात भर ऐसे सर्दियों में टिटुटता रहा, ये हो रहा था, उससे तकलीफ़ हो रही थी वो. तो वो क्या है, वो बहुत ही कमज़ोर हो गया. ही वॉज टू वीक टू मूव ऑन एंड जस्ट ले कोलैप्स देयर. वहाँ पे ज़मीन पे गिर गया. एंड ही वॉज फॉर सम टाइम. बाय चांस Dick had fallen in front of a house belonging to a rich merchant called Mr. Fitzwarren. Okay, what it is given by chance. Dick had fallen in the front. Where did he fall? In the front of the house who was a rich merchant called Mr. Fitzwarren. Okay, the cook was trying to drive away Dick away. When Mr. Fitzwarren returned home from inspecting his ships, he stopped and said to Dick, "Why don't you work if you need food?" Okay, by chance, where did he fall? He fell in front of the rich person's house, and his name was Mr. Fitzwarren. Fitzwarren एक रिच मर्चेंट है, उनके घर के सामने वो गिर गया लकली. द कुक, यू नो इट वेरी वेल. कुक मीन्स कई बड़े घरों में खाना पकाने के लिए एक कुक होते हैं. तो एक कुक ने मिस्टर फिट्जवेरन के कुक ने उनसे देखा. शी नोटिस्ड हिम एंड ही वॉज ड्राइविंग हिम हैवे, मतलब उसे अकल रही थी, जाओ जाओ यहाँ से जाओ. एट दैट टाइम मिस्टर फिट्जवेरन अराइव. उन्होंने देखा. ही स्टॉप दिस कुक को स्टॉप किया और डिक को बोले, "वाई डोंट यू वर्क?" तुम काम क्यों नहीं करते जब आप तुम्हें खाने की ज़रूरत है. नेचुरली इफ़ यू डोंट हैव फूड यू हैव टू अर्न फॉर दैट. खाना खाने के लिए आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, पैसे कमाना पड़ेगा, तब जाके आपको खाना. तो इस मिस्टर फिट्जवेरन टोल्ड Dick to work so that he will be able to get the food. What did Dick reply? I would work, said Dick, but I know nobody who will give me anything to do. So Dick replied, yes, I want to work, but who will give me work? मुझे काम कौन देगा? No, कोई मुझे काम नहीं देगा. Take him into the kitchen, Mr. Fitzwarren ordered the cook. Feed him first and then find some work for him. So Mr. Fitzwarren, what did he say to his cook? Just take him to the kitchen. First you give him food and give some work so that he will do some work over here. So Dick was given a home and a living. He had a small corner at the attic to sleep in, and his job was to help the cook with all the pots and the pans in the kitchen. Dick's life should have been much better than before, but he still had two difficulties to face. So Mr. Fitzwarren told Dick to work in his house. मतलब उसके घर में काम करने के लिए उनसे बोला गया था. And he told his cook to give some food to Dick and even give some work so that he can do work over there. So Dick, what was the Dick's work? He got the home. एक घर मिला जहाँ पे वो काम कर सकते, आराम कर सकते. तो he got a home and a living. He had a small corner of the attic. See attic, what is a very small room inside the pointed roof. एक छोटा सा रूम, कमरा जिसका जो रूफ है, छत जो है pointed है. Okay, that is called attic. He got a small room to sleep, and his job was and what was his job? It was to help the cook with all the pots and pans in the kitchen. Means he have to clean the utensils. खाना जो बर्तन जो होते थे उसे clean करना, साफ सफाई करना उसका काम था. He was helping the cook. Dick's life should have been much better than before, but still he had two difficulties to face. पहले से थोड़ा बेहतर उसकी ज़िंदगी हो गई, but he had to face many difficulties still. The first was that the attic he slept in was overrun by rats and mice. Means where he was given a small room to sleep. Where he was sleeping in that room, he had a lot of rats and mice. मतलब वहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे चूहे थे उस कमरे में. At night they scampered all over him and kept him awake. After a time he solved this problem by saving a few pennies he was paid and buying himself a cat. Means where he stayed there, he had lots of rats and mice, and that they won't let him to sleep. मतलब वो चूहों की वजह से वो रात भर सो नहीं पाता था, उसे जागा रहना पड़ता था. Scampered, see meaning over ran here and there. Scampered का मतलब यहाँ वहाँ भागना. चूहों का काम रहता वो यहाँ वहाँ रात को भागते अंधेरे में. तो they were scampering या moving all over him. उसके ऊपर से यहाँ वहाँ जाते थे. And kept him awake. उसको सोने नहीं देते. After a time he solved this problem by saving us few pennies. He was working over there in Mr. Fitzwarren's house, helping the cook. He was paid for it. उसको उससे काम करने के लिए पैसे मिलते थे. उसने पैसे बचा के what did he buy? He buy a cat, and that helped him a lot. वो cat क्या करते थे? चूहों को देखते ही खा जाते थे, उसे मार डालते थे. तो that helped him and he was able to sleep the night. Okay, see remaining part I will be explaining in the next lecture. आपको meanings are given in your textbook. You can find that difficult words and all. I hope you understand this lesson. अब जहाँ तक मैंने पढ़ाया है, it is about a poor boy called Dick Whittington. तो I am ending over here. Thank you.